Andrew at Urban Greens.
Hey, this is Joel.
We are an indoor hydroponics farm in the Twin Cities. We grow lettuce, greens, and herbs and deliver them year-round. And for the last year or so, we've been growing with Happy Leaf LEDs.
Yeah, before that we were using LED light bars from some of the big guys, Philips, GE. We ran into Poly a little over a year ago at a market outside Chicago, and since then we've been on the Happy Leaf train.
Yep, and a year in, we are extremely pleased with how they perform for us. We have some rainbow chard here growing. We get excellent growth. The growth is quick, leaves are thick, plants are sturdy, and Happy Leaf LEDs have worked well across all of our plant varieties.
Yeah, we use them for our seedlings as well, and that's honestly where we've seen some of the biggest improvements. Seedlings under Happy Leaf are coming in full and thick, thicker stems than what we've seen under the other lights we've used.
Yep. On top of that, it's been great working with Vic, Polly, and BJ. They've been extremely helpful answering all of our questions. They worked with us on the power supplies, and BJ's been very helpful answering questions on plant growth.
Absolutely. We love Happy Leaf.